Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Going live today because I have a friend uh, that is asking how to create um, email sequence in Mailingboss. Okay, so I'm just checking if he is already connected before we start. Okay, awesome. Okay, so basically this live is for uh, Sir Jojo. Okay, I'm just checking if he is already connected before we start. Mhm. Okay, anyone in? Oh, waiting. So let's see. It says here I'm already streaming. Oops, not yet live, but I already started it. Yeah, almost 2 minutes already. Okay, let's give them some time to connect. Okay, let's check my streaming. Mhm. Okay, let's see. Testing one. Okay, let's check my streaming. Mhm. Let's see. Okay, actually, this will be my first time to be doing this. Just testing. Okay, let's see how it works. So just bear with me, guys. So I'm still a newbie with this one. So let's see. Yeah, I can see myself. Actually, this will be my first time doing this. Just testing. Okay, let's see if they are connected. Okay, how do I know how to use this? Alright, am I live? Just let me know, guys, if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's see. Right, am I live? Just let me know, guys, if you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, creating the email sequence. Let me just share my Facebook in Mailingboss. Alright. So I just need to make it sure Kajojo is inside. Okay. Okay, if Kajojo is already inside, okay, I can start because he asked this personally to me if how to do image sequence. So I'm still new with Builderall. I just joined May 7 this year, and also knew about this Mailingboss Autoresponder, but I will just try my best to be able to to help out my friend here how to set up email sequence in um, Mailingboss. Okay, so I will just try my best. All right, so basically I'm also learning. I will try to figure out how it is done based on what I understand. Okay, so first, of course, we need to go to our. Okay, so let me just before I show it. Okay, at least I'm sure you're not seeing everything. All right, so you're seeing. Okay, I think I should mute my other one. Okay, otherwise you can hear me. Then how to enable the chat just in case they want to do live chat. Alright, sorry guys, I still not new to this, but it's worth to try. Anyway, Kajojo just message me in guys, just message in our Facebook group. This is first time to me, so it's worth to try. Just make it live. All right. So now we are on my Builderall account. Okay, so first of course you need to go to builderall.com, then log into your account. Then here I can see all my apps, but if you don't see it, we just go to your apps, then go to Mailingboss Autoresponder. Okay, either way. So, but if you don't see all these things, maybe because you are set up like this, so you can access it from the side. Then go to the apps. All right. Okay. Okay. Good. So now let's just go to the apps and go to my Mailingboss Autoresponder. So basically, they are asking if how can they make a email sequence. So this is how we can make email sequence. Just click this one and click email sequence. Okay. All right. Since we need to create a new one, so just create new. Then you need to give it a name. So let's say we'll just do a demo email sequence. All right. So that I can just delete it later on. Okay. Then you need to choose the list where you want the email sequence to be connected. So maybe I just select my temp list. Sorry, maybe temp list, this one. Okay. Then you can choose a segment, but for now we just skip this one. Then you can send it to future subscribers only. It means that anything you add or import to this list, or maybe you have an opt-in page, landing page, everyone who subscribe, then it will receive the email sequence. But just in case you have an existing contacts inside your subscribe, let's say for example, you select something like this, wherein you have some subscribers inside, and you want to send the email sequence. All you have to do is select this one, send to current and future subscribers. So it means that once you activate this sequence, those existing that is already in your subscribers or your list will receive the email sequence. All right, but the default is this one for future subscribers only. Okay, then all we have to do is just making sure you have the name, list, segment. Okay, actually there's options here, but we just skip for now. Then send to future subscribers only. Then save and edit sequence email. All right. Okay, so this will be the start of your sequence, but I think some of you will ask, what do I need to send? Okay, so you can create your own, up to you. Otherwise, you can actually get the swipes that you need. You can go back to your Builderall. It's on the affiliates. Okay, I think there's a shortcut to go that way, but this is how I know how to go to this one. So I just go to the branding kit. Okay, then I just go to the resource board. Okay, then from here, since I need email swipes, okay, you can just scroll over the email swipe. Yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see, there are available email swipe here. or they call it swipe file, sorry. Okay, then email swipes for affiliate to use encouraging upgrade to funnel club. If this is your if let's say you have an existing builder, or maybe you want them to upgrade to funnel club, you can use this one. Else we need to use the others. Okay, how about this one? So this one, email swipes is lead challenge, so I think not. Okay, so maybe we can use this. So this is email swipes that is sent by Builderall to us. So basically, you have options if you want to send it to your to free members. Free members meaning that the leads are all free. Okay, I don't want to click it, otherwise you will see my leads is those the status is free. Okay, then Builderall plan, and then premium plan. So you can select. All right, whatever you want. If let's say you want to send email sequence for Builderall members or those on free. But since our Kajojo is actually concerned, I think, with the RPM. So let's just go with the RPM members area. Okay. All right. So I think what he want is for the okay, how come? Okay, rapid profit machine members area. Okay. I think what he want is to send emails to existing RPM, or those that no, not existing RPM, those that have opt-in to his uh, to his list. And I think he will also use some existing uh, subscribers or contacts that he has from other autoresponder. Then he want to promote RPM. So let me just hide my login, and I will just log in first. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm just logging into my RPM. Okay. Hopefully still remember my password. Okay, wrong password. Let me try one more time. Okay, just logging in. Once I'm logged in, I will put it back. All right, awesome. Okay, so here, so you need to go to your RPM swipes for existing email list. This can be found in, I think, in extras. Let's see, yeah, RPM promo material. If I'm not wrong, let's just okay, try to access it again. Here, yeah, here. So if you want to have to send like to your existing list about RPM, especially if you are importing other leads or contacts in your Mailingboss, so you can use this swipe. So just access email swipes. Okay. All right. Then you can use all of this. Okay. But for me, usually I highly recommend, to follow what James is doing. During the first email, he actually sent emails that don't have any links. So as you can see here, okay, on the email sequence, if we go back, okay, Mailingboss, I just opened another one. If you're going to check how James do it, but here, okay, email campaigns, email sequence. Actually, it makes sense. So it's better when you send email, you send your first email to be, okay, not this one, sorry, it's another one. I have this, okay, builder email sequence. I have too many. Okay, this one is the block. No, okay, we can try it. Okay, so I actually uh, follow what James is teaching. So basically, first email, this should be plain. Okay, yeah, like this one. All right. Actually, we can send the list to the same sequence, but if you want to create fresh, so that's the one we're going to talk about tonight. Actually, that's the one asked to me by Sir Jojo. So for me, maybe what I will do, I will just copy this one, because this one don't have any links on it. This is the best practice. At least we are sure it will land on the inbox and not on the spam. So we just go back to the one that we have created here. So easy. You just copy, then paste. All right. So it's all set. No links and any other stuff. Then you just also copy maybe the subject. All right. So then instead of first email, up to you if you want first email. For me, what I do is like I put like day 0. Day 0. So up to you how you want to do it. Then basically, since this is the day 0, or when you 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 export or you import your subscriber to the list, or when they opt in, so they will receive it on the day or on the time that they opt in to your landing page, or when you imported them to your list. Okay, so all you have to do is activate. If you're done, let's say just double check everything. Okay, then before that, so I just give you another tip. Okay, so basically on your list, okay, let's say we go to your list. Okay, just make it sure that the correct sending and reply to are selected. So like for example, I selected this one is for the okay, warm up list. I just put warm up list. Okay, so you need to go to update. Okay, then make it sure on the advanced tab, the one that is selected, because this is my warm up list which I send everyday email, auto email every day. So I'm using my domain. Okay, but actually currently on my production I don't use my domain yet. I'm giving it some time. I started May 7, May, June, July, so maybe I give it more time. You can select your mailing boss from email or sender, then reply to, put your domain if you have a domain. If you don't have a domain, Gmail, you can put Gmail as well, but on the from email, might as well put the mailing boss. All right, then from here, then you can click save changes. Okay, you need, that is the one that you need to check. Okay, then after that, so once you have day 0, it's okay already, you just click done here, then you just activate. Okay, so that's the steps of doing email sequence. But since it's only one, so we cannot say it's an email sequence. So rather than just an autoresponder, right? But since you want to create an email sequence, so you just need to add another email. So maybe this one we will use the email swipe we got okay, from this one. Okay, let me just pull like this so that easy to browse. Okay, so now we have day 0. So we want to add another email, right? Okay, so just click done again just to be sure. Sometimes it doesn't save. So just click add email. Okay. Then from here, it's up to you. If you want to send email after 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, up to you. But just for simplicity, we just send after 24 hours. So we just put day 1, which is day 0 is the time that they have joined. Day 1 is the after 24 hours. Or you can put day 1 as the time when they join, and then this will become day 2. But since I started day 0, so we just put this day 1. Then from here, then you can copy this swipe. Okay, if you want to. Okay, or you can create your own if you want as well. So just put here. Okay, then just copy all of this. Okay, okay, up to this one. Okay, copy. Yeah. Okay, so then you need to at least edit a bit, but let's try to copy like this. Okay, you just, what I did is Control Shift then V, so that it will not so that it will copy like the same format that we have here. Okay, so I think on a Mac user it should be Command Shift, is it? Then just paste so that it will be formatted as when you copy it from your email swipes. Okay, then from here you just need to check where the link is. Okay, so here you go. So if you're promoting your RPM link, then you just maybe just click and okay, just put something here like what you call that, an action word, like let's say click here, or you can put more details, watch video or whatever. Just for the simplicity, we just put click here. Then from here, okay, we can add our link. Okay, let me see, where is it? Okay, yep, sorry, it doesn't go up. Maybe just, okay, it's not going up here. Okay, it's here, sorry. Let's see, then from here you just put your RPM uh, landing page if you want to, but basically we usually put our page 2 URL, because since they're already on your list, there's no need for you to opt in, because they're already part of your subscribers. All right, so we just put here just for the demo. So I will just put https colon rpm pro dot playford.net, but I will put the page 2. Okay, so basically page 2 is this one. This is after they have opt-in to your landing page. Okay, so instead of your usual landing page, you need to give the page 2.
Hey, my name's James Neville
Because they
Taylor.
already opt-in. Otherwise, if you still put your main link, so they need to opt-in again. All right. The only advantage of this one is they will go to the RPM sequence. But if you don't want them to go to the RPM sequence, then you will use the swipe for those. Those your existing list. Then you can just follow through this one. Okay. All right. So then we just settle this one. Then your name, you can also put uh, the AFT mailing boss, the one that we just copied on the. Let me just show you. Instead of putting your name, so that it will just catch your uh, your default name in our builder or mailing boss, you can just copy this one as well instead of putting that automatic, so that when you change your name, then it will automatically be changed. Okay, okay, this is how you do it. Then from here, you can just put sorry, yes, like this one. Okay. Then from here, since this is our day 0, then we want to do it after 24 hours. Okay, if it is after 24 hours, just put 1. It means after they subscribe. But if let's say you want them to receive an email after 2 hours or 4 hours, then you put hour. Okay, you want them, let's say, after 2 hours, then you just click save changes. All right. But mostly since if you want to send 1 email per day, then you just select 1 day. Then as you can see here, it will automatically be arranged. All right. So simple as that. So of course, if you want to do for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, or if you want it to be 15 days, 30 days, up to you. All you have to do is just click add email again. Then you just put okay, day 2 if you want to. Then create the email again. Then after that, you just need to set. Okay, this is sorry. Okay, so this one. Okay, because this is the one we just set, then we just need to set this as day 2, 2 days after they subscribe. Okay, so it means after 48 hours, when the time they subscribe, then they will be able to receive the email sequence. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Any more questions? I know this will be a bit delay. Okay, so any questions, guys? You can message me directly. I know it will be delay. Just message them. Some. Okay. Okay. Right. I'm just waiting for any questions, clarifications. Okay, let's just give them some time. Okay. I don't know how to enable the chat. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's my first time doing this, so just bear with me. Okay. Mm, what else could I add? Okay, since I just wanted to ask to add because uh, Sir Jojo will be importing his contacts from another autoresponder to the mailing boss list. Okay, so this is just best practice, which is the one I do. Before you import any contacts, don't import them directly to your existing or production list. Okay, so usually what I do, I create like a temp list. Like for example, you create a temp list, then you import that list to the temp list. Don't directly import them to your main list. Else, if Builderall or Mailingboss block the list because of the quality, then your existing list will be also blocked. There's a way to fix that, but might as well just do best practices. Upload them to a temp list. Okay. Then as you can see here, all right, let's just click this one. Okay, because when you export something on other autoresponders, so basically they will have many fields. So the best way to do is you just go to your list. Then when you check the fields, you need to edit your exported Excel or whatever file. Okay, then you just need to make it sure that they are the same as this one. All right, let me just have some example. Okay, like for example, I will just create one. Otherwise, you might see my list. Okay, like for example, okay, let's say just to show quickly. So like for example, this is your list. Let's say you have first name, okay, last name, email, and other data. Because usually it will have many data, data 2, data 3. Okay, then from here you will have like Clay, then Ford, and then Clayford at Clayford.net. Okay, something like that, right? So what you have to do is you need to make it sure that the field corresponds to the field in your, okay, and for example, email. Label is email, tag is email, so you need to copy the tag. So here, so you just need to put email. Okay, all right. Does it need to be on the same order as long as it's same? For first name is F name. Okay, so then you just need to put here first name. Instead, you need to put F name. Okay, then from okay, because this one is only first name. Okay, then you can remove the last name. Okay, so it depends, or you can just put a last name and first name as the name itself. Okay, where's my Excel? All right, something like this. So you can remove the last name, then first name. You can just put first name and full name. You can just put full name here. Okay, that name or first name. Then after that, because I'm using Google Sheets, so I will just basically I actually edited here, so I will just download it in a CSV file. Okay, okay. Then once downloaded, then from the list itself, there's option to import. Okay, then you need to select or choose file CSV. Then choose file. Then you select the CSV file that you want. Then upload file. Okay. Then after you uploaded it, all right, since you uploaded in a template, just give it some time depending on how big you're uploading. So I think to be safe, give it a few hours, because if after Mailingboss check all your contacts and the quality of your contacts, if they are low quality, it will be blocked. If let's say the quality pass their checking, then it will be normal as like. If it is black, something will appear on it like at the end block, something like that. Then once it's okay, then that's the time you can move them. Like for example, this one, my warm up list. Let's say this one. This is my just for example, this is my template. Just select everything, then action, then move. Then you can move it to your main list. Okay. that is the best practice. If you don't want to do that, up to you, but I already have warned you that your list might get blocked. Okay? All right. Anything else? Any more questions? I just added that one. Okay. At least they can. Okay. How can I change the name of my existing list? All right. So thank you for the question. All right. So simple. So basically this one, just go to your list. Okay. 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 Let me just switch back. Sorry guys. All right. So go to your list. Let's say this one I want to change. Let's just take for example block blocks. What is it? Okay. Like for example, I want to change this one. You just go to update. Okay. Then from here, just templates. Okay, I just put a version 2, version 2. Anyway, it's just a template for me. So I just put like this, description like this. Then after that, okay, just save. That's all. Because if you want everything as default, then when you go to your list, your template becomes template version 2. Ah, awesome. Okay. All right. Okay. Anything else so that we can end this live streaming? Okay. You can drop a message, but I don't know how you can ask questions on during the live stream. Sorry guys, I'm still working how to really use this thing. Okay. Okay. All right. If you want to, if somebody joined, okay, so you can. Okay, we just that is not on that don't know my Facebook. You can just message me here right now. Okay, if someone just sorry guys, I'm still working on how to really use this thing. So sorry for the inconvenience. If let's say okay, if you have a question, okay, I agree. Sometimes you can message me right now. To those who have joined that is not on my friends list. Okay, okay, just show it here. Yeah, this one. Oh, they cannot see it. Okay, here. If somebody have joined this that is not on okay, yep, this is my Facebook profile. You can message me, add me, then message me right away so that I can uh, okay, answer some question at least while we're on live. I can do some, yeah, I can teach you. Okay, I'm really not expert yet with Builderall and most of the apps. I just, those, just these things because we are using it, so I'm a bit aware. But when I still have a full-time job, so once, so basically, if I only have time, then that's the time I try to figure out and try to use some of the apps in Builder. It's really a tons of application that we really need to learn. So that's why okay, most of your those doing affiliate marketing, I urge you to switch to Builderall because everything is here. Compare if you're trying to buy those apps one by one. So here, all the things will be here, and you're just paying around $70 for everything. And you also become uh, direct affiliates where you can earn 100% commission on your first month sale, then 30% commission on the following months, recurring plus 30% commission tier to recurring. Okay, okay, I think that should be all for today. Thank you for joining and thank you for asking those questions. If you have some other questions, we can do this as well. Then just bear with me of using this platform. I'm still trying to figure out. So maybe next time or next time we'll be able to interact directly with it. with this live stream. Okay, thank you so